In this Digestive Health Reboot review, viewers will discover a comprehensive solution for improving gut health through a well-structured program. The 14-day Digestive Health Reboot includes a detailed meal plan with a 7-day vegetarian option, alongside practical tools like a video tutorial on creating go-to meals, an Eat This, Not That, FODMAP foods list, and a guide to reading FODMAP labels and identifying high FODMAP ingredients. This program equips users with proven skills and tools that thousands are using to accelerate their gut-related health goals, offering a structured approach to achieving better digestive wellness. The Digestive Health Reboot provides a structured path to gut wellness, featuring a comprehensive 14-day meal plan and essential educational resources. By integrating these proven strategies, users can effectively manage their digestive health and achieve noticeable improvements. In this Digestive Health Reboot review, viewers will discover a comprehensive solution for improving gut health through a well-structured program.